Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Today we're going to walk through mail merging labels in Word, which is perfect if you need to print multiple mailing labels quickly. Step 1. First, you'll want to set up your data source. Open Excel or create a new document with your contact information organized in columns like name, address, city, state, and zip code. Make sure your headers are in the first row so Word knows what data goes where. Step 2. Now let's open Word and start the mail merge process. Go to the Mailings tab at the top, click Start Mail Merge, and then select Labels from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Next, you'll choose your label template. Word will show you different label sizes from manufacturers like Avery. Pick the one that matches your physical labels, then click OK. Step 4. Now you need to connect your data. Click Select Recipients and choose your Excel file or data source you created earlier. Word will pull all those names and addresses from your spreadsheet. Step 5. Finally, insert your merge fields into the label. Click Insert Merge Field and add the fields you need like first name, last name, address, city, state, and zip. Arrange them how you want them to appear on the label. Then click Finish and Merge to print your labels. That's it, you're done. Thanks for watching.